Hey everyone, welcome back. If the Chase app used to let you log in with Face ID or Touch ID but suddenly stopped working and keeps asking you for full password instead, here's how to fix it in about 30 seconds. First, open the Chase app and log in and go to the login screen. Instead of trying Face ID, go ahead and log in manually with your username and your password. After that, once you're in, tap the profile icon or menu inside the app and look for security settings or sign in options. In there, you'll find a toggle for Face ID or Touch ID. Turn it on first, wait for a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Then, the app will ask you to scan your face or finger to register it. After that, log out of the app completely and open it again. This time, Face ID should work right away. If it still does not work, go to your phone settings and then go ahead and search for the Chase app and make sure Face ID is allowed for the Chase app under the iPhone's own Face ID settings. So, all you've got to do is log in manually, go to the security settings in Chase, toggle Face ID off, then back on, log out and reopen. Face ID will be working again, and that's it. Subscribe for more Chase app fixes.